Everybody has heard about sloppy joes, but have you ever heard of sloppy Jose? Yes, sirree. We're doing sloppy Jose's on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. So what makes this sloppy Jose? Well, I'm glad you asked. Instead of ground beef, we're going to use chorizo. Yes, chorizo. Very, very flavorful, very pungent pork chorizo, all right? But we're also going to kick it up a little notch, and we're going to use some poblanos on it as well. We're going to char up some poblanos, and we're going to make a avocado crema to go onto this. We got a few things to do first, y'all. We got to get our poblanos ready, got to get them prepped, okay? And just like if we were to do a bell pepper, just going to kind of run my knife around and get that whole seed pod out, and then we're just going to kind of open that up. Now ideally, I want to get these to where we're going to char these up, and we're going to put some beautiful, beautiful cheese, good old melty cheese. I don't know how to say that word. If somebody knows how to say it, let me know. Chihuahua cheese. Chihuahua cheese. I think I did a good job. I'm sure somebody will tell me. But that's a really good melting cheese. I do know that part. All right, let's get these down. We're going to do skin side down onto the griddle first. I really want that blistering effect. And I got some little weights right here that helps just kind of weigh these down. Gives it a lot more surface patch, just like that. These things are gonna start popping and cracking. But listen, that's flavor, all right? That's flavor. Got our chorizo. Just gonna put that onto our griddle. I can already smell the spices in this. It's got some chili powders. It's got all this, I think it's got some like smoked paprika in it. It already just smells amazing. All right, so while that's cooking over here, we're gonna get our rolls. This is Bolillo rolls. A little bit different than a traditional, just a sandwich roll that you would have a sloppy joe in. You can get those at your like your Mexican bakeries, that kind of thing. Just gonna slice these up, and I don't want them to go all the way through because I want those to kind of like a cheesesteak. You put it over the meat and just kind of, encapsulate it all inside there. Gonna be beautiful. There we go. We need to check on this stuff over here. We need to flip our chorizo. You can see it's releasing a lot of its grease. It's gonna come in. Oh yeah. That's what you want to see. Our griddle, I got everything. I started out on high. We got everything on low now. Let's try, look at our poblanos. Oh yeah, see that char? That's what you're looking for right there. All right, yes sirree. Now we need to make our crema, avocado crema. And how we're gonna do that is, well, we let the supermarket help us out a little bit here. And I just bought some, this is just basically guacamole, okay? Oh no, this is just avocados, that's right, just avocados. And that way you ain't gotta worry about, there's my avocados ripe and all that kind of junk. I'll do a little bit sour cream. Little tip with limes, you wanna roll it out real good. It helps kind of express it. That way it'll be a little bit more juicy. And put a little bit of cilantro. I'll add some of this Citrus Mojo from Blackstone. And we're gonna come in with some pepper, a little bit of salt. And we're just gonna blend this up. We'll thin this out just a snitch more. It's actually really nice. Oh yeah, push some of that down in there. A little thick, that's okay. We'll add just a little bit of buttermilk. There we go. Let's head back over to the griddle. Our chorizo is almost done. So is our poblanos. We've got a few other things to add to it, all right? Chorizo's looking real nice, guys. We still got to make this sloppy though, okay? I mean, it's kind of sloppy right now. Let's check on these poblanos. That's exactly what I want. See how that's flattened out? Look at that, so pretty. That's gonna add a nice little texture quality to these sloppy Jose's. You can see that? My ring went down. All right. To make it sloppy, we'll add some salsa. This is just, you know, a lot of your grocery stores have a nice Katina salsa, which is actually really good. And I'm just gonna bring some of that. I'll plop it right there. And this is how we making the sloppy Jose. Our poblanos, they're good, they're hanging out. Put these right up there. And I want to take each one of our buns just to get a little toast action on it, get them warmed up. After about a minute or so, yeah, nice and toasty. That's what we're after. I'll give that about 30 seconds. Now we got to prep our poblanos. And how we're going to do that? We're going to take some of this cheese. It's beautiful melting cheese. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, sir, I can count. Yes, sir. And then we're going to put a poblano there, put a poblano there. Like an Oprah of poblanos here. Open that up, there we go. And right there. All right. Now, I want to try to partition 4 of these piles of chorizo. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That'll work. We gotta get some mayonnaise on these rolls. Need mayonnaise. It's a sandwich. Needs mayonnaise. Even a sloppy Joe needs mayonnaise. Okay, I said it. I said it and I mean it. All right, change of plans. Change plans. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our chorizo meat and we're gonna put it right on top of our poblanos. Just like that. Just like that. Woo. Might as well put our little rings on here too. Because we're gonna do something else. We're gonna do something else. We're gonna take some more of this cheese. It's just gonna be encapsulated. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lord have mercy. This is gonna be good. All right. Now we're gonna take our rolls. We'll put it right over just like that. The rolls are gonna steam a little bit, get a little softer. Whew. It's gonna get in some of that grease from the chorizo. All right, let's get these things. Oh my goodness, look at that. Holy cow. Woohoo! That, my friends, is what I call a sloppy Jose. We got a little bit of extras here. Let's put some more on these. Let's pile them up, pile them up. All right, all right. Ready to get these things to try, y'all. Take a little bit of our crema. Just gonna lay it in right there. It's gonna be so good, so good. Let's see what we got here. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. The chorizo. It's got a lot of flavor to it. The avocado crema cuts it through good. Mmm. That cheese skirt is, look at that thing. Mmm. It's so good. What I like about the poblano, kind of gives a little bit of a texture as well. Mm-hmm. It's a real deal Holyfield right here. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you. I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.